Does this weather looks like it's gonna rain? This weather network always ruins my plan. They said they're gonna rain today. I don't see the signs. In fairness, I do love the new look on this one compared to the ones before.